Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode, only click once on the switcher and that's it. And if you want to turn off the silent mode, by the same way, click once again on the on the silent mode switcher. You can see here that when we activate the ringtone, the silent mode, our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. So we can also do it by the second way, just by slide the ringtone volume panel to the left side, and you can see now that we just successfully activate silent mode. And if you want to just turn off silent mode, you can activate the notifications and ringtones and you will turn off the silent mode. And also we got a third way how we can do that. So just by press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and here you'll see the bell icon. Just click once on the bell icon and you will again launch activate the silent mode. And just to turn off silent mode, click once again on this silent and bell icon, and that's it. And one more way how you can do that: open the notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you should find the silent mode icon. Just click once on the silent mode icon to activate it, and to turn it off, once again click on the silent modes, and that's it. So as can you see, we got here just many different ways to activate or turn off the silent mode, so you can use all of them if you want. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.